Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max class. Hope that all of you joined the session. Yesterday itself I got all the marks from you. Thank you for your response. And today morning, first I told I will discuss about one question from reflection. That is about arrowhead. And the shape was like this. It was like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices are there. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They told similar to arrowhead, but if you write the answer as, how many sides? 6 sides. So what you will call this polygon? Hexagon. If you give the answer as hexagon, but it is an irregular hexagon. Okay, if you are telling like that also, or concave hexagon, we can call this as concave. It's inverted, no, concave hexagon, like that you can name it as. Or this time for the board exam they wrote 6-sided polygon. For that also we have given the mark 6-sided polygon. So you no need to bother about not getting the correct name, okay, but don't write as open book or butterfly. We can see those type of answers also. Many years students are writing by seeing in the picture, but you have to write the answer in the mathematical terms. Don't tell by seeing the figure, yes, this is just as a butterfly or an open book. You won't get any mark for that. This is the safe side. What you have to do, if you know the correct shape, okay, like similar to arrowhead and all, you will get the mark. Otherwise, just count the sides. How many sides are there? 6 sides are there. So if you are writing, it's a 6-sided polygon, or if you are writing it as an hexagon, you will get the mark. So you don't bother about this type of questions, okay? So the answer is either hexagon or 6-sided polygon, okay? All other questions no need to discuss yesterday. Even if yesterday was not the date, we already discussed many questions, and questions were very easy. Hope that all of you completed the homeworks. So let me continue the chapter GST, Goods and Services Tax. What all things we studied under that topic GST? GST full form is Goods and Services Tax. This government is asking the tax to meet the expenses, government's administrative expenses or development's welfare, to give the salaries and all, okay. Till 2017, July 1st, different types of taxes were there, okay. Revenue tax, then excise tax, okay, and that also varies from state to state. Then in 2017, July 1st onwards, there is only unique tax, which is named as GST, okay, one nation, one tax. That was this government's role, one nation, one tax. So all the taxes, they merge into one, okay, and they have given different rates. Common rates are there: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%, like that. That means for luxury items, they will give to maximum GST, 28% and all. But for example, gold, liquor, apartments, vehicle and all. But for necessary items, sometimes it will be 0%, and for other items it will be moderate. According to its need, they will implement the tax. Anyway, unique tax only. Okay, so the different rates are there, that you no need to bother about, because in the question they will give the what is the rate. So you have to use that. I told you, even if it is 18% for the exam or for the class, for the easy calculation, they may give 20%, just to make it a round, by making it round figure, okay. So that you leave it. Then also you have to know. Now, so only one tax, that is GST. GST, I told, if you have the right to, if you are running a business and if you have the right to ask GST, first you have to register in that, okay, and you will get a registration number. That number should be there on your bill, and that person only have the right to as GST. Okay, then what are two types of GST? CGST and SGST. CGST means central GST, SGST means state GST. That means if you are buying some item, okay, from one state, and if you are selling in the same state, okay, or if you are doing all the business in your state only, all the tax will come under. That means if 18% is the tax, half you have to give to central government, half you have to give to the state government. Okay, not only to state government. Since we have the consent to do the business in our state, we have to give a share to central government also. Okay, half of they will take. But if you are doing one business, we are taking one commodity from one state and we are selling in another state. Okay, their CGST, that tax will go to central government only. Okay, so you may think that why state is interfering in this, no? Yes, first we will, anyway the customer will give to state government. The last case also customer will give to state government and central government, half of. Second case customer will give to central government. And after that, I told you, there is a rule, after getting this, central government has to give this, to distribute equally to both the states, because from one state to the other state the commodity gone. Okay, so from among those states the central government, first he will collect, central government will collect, and after that it has to give to the both the state governments. That's a rule, but that we are not studying now. We have to know if it is an interstate transaction, only central government will get the benefit, but if it is intra-state transaction, both the central government and state government will get the benefit. And one IGST is integrated GST. One more is the UGST, that I am not telling. Instead of states, some union territories are there, no? So if among union territories we are doing the business, usually we were not giving to the state, instead we will give to the union territory half, the other half to the central government. That's clear. The other half not to the state government, instead we are giving to the union territory. That you just think, if it is not a state, if it is a union territory, half will go to the union territory, the other will go to the central government. That is UGST. Okay, union territory GST, like SGST. That's a rare case. Okay, how many union territories are there? Only if you are doing the business that we have to, but no change. Then just I am giving the recap. Okay, so GST, there is only a single tax. GST is a consumption based tax which is levied when we have to give the tax if you buy some goods, or if you transfer the goods from one state to other, or if you do some service, or if you transfer some service. That's why its name is goods and service tax. Goods, you know, some articles, some commodities if you are buying, you can buy in your state, or you can buy from the state and you can sell in the other state. That also happens. That's why the transfer also happens. Okay. Then what is meant by services? Services means, no, for banking services we have to give some tax to the bank. For insurance companies we have to give. For these services they will ask some tax. Okay, that is services tax. So that's why its name is goods and services tax. Okay. And GST, the only tax to be paid by individuals or organizations, as all other indirect taxes are merged into it. Yesterday I told, yesterday so you go and check one recent bill and see under that did they write CGST and SGST? Did you get electricity bill, water bill, anything? You can see CGST and SGST, both will be same percentage. Whenever you get a bill, just go through. Okay, both will be same, because we are doing here only. Okay, and what are the advantages of GST and all that they are giving in, that's not in our area. Then also they are telling just to make it transparent. Okay, otherwise the other state will so we will be confused. So only one we can tell, this is the nationwide percentage. So just to get the transparency, and otherwise if it is only one time you have to pay, otherwise as service tax, as excise tax, likewise we have to give in different times. That also for taxpayer or for the customer it will be difficult. So just to to minimize the physical interface between the taxpayer and the tax authorities, also to remove the complicity of state tax and state tax, central tax. It's not like that, only one tax. Okay, to remove the disparity of taxes in different states, I told you, no. So just to overcome those confusions and all, this is good. But they had to collect in the proper way. For everything, positive side and negative side is there, no. If this GST system they are doing in the correct way, it's very good. But if they are doing some, if they have some loopholes in that also, everything will be in vain. That's we have to know. We cannot blame the system, but we have to function it in the proper way. Okay. Then GST number we know. Okay. Yesterday we have done one question. No, not one question. Two questions I think. Okay. It was very clear. After getting the question, you will read and will see whether it is inter or intra. If it is, first you have to write that one. If it is inter, you will do it. Okay. So let me do the third. Sorry. Let me do the first example. First example. For the time being, you go through the question. Leave the space for the question. After my class, you can write. A dealer in Calcutta buys some goods worth rupees 6,000. If the rate of GST is 18%, find how much will the dealer pay for the goods bought. Calcutta only, no? Only in Calcutta. So, it is a intra-state transaction. That means within the state. So, out of 18%, 9 will go to central government, 9% will go to state government. So, how much will the dealer pay for the goods bought? Both we have to write, okay? So, that you can do. All of you do. You write cost price, 6,000. First example, cost price 6,000. Now, it is an intrastate transaction. Intrastate transaction. So, CGST. Out of 18%, I am taking 9%. 9% of 6,000. How much? 9 by 100 into 6,000. 540 rupees. Okay. Then SGST. That also no need to find again. Same share to the state government also. So I am not finding again. Rupees 540. So for state government 540, for central government 540. So what is the total amount that the customer has to pay? Therefore, the total amount that the customer has to pay equal to 6,000 plus 540 plus 540. Both the taxes we have to add up. What is the answer? 7,080. Rupees 7,080. That is the total amount that at last who will pay the tax? The customer only. Okay. Customer or the dealer will pay rupees 7,080. Next question. Given below are the cost of some financial services in the same city. So here also intrastate transaction. Taxable under GST. Cost of services 500, 300, 400. Here it's not goods, services. That doesn't matter if it is goods or services. After getting the percentage, we will start to calculate. If the rate of GST is 12%, find the amount of GST on these services. They are asking the tax for their services only. Okay. Financial services, I told you, banking services, insurance company services. For those things, they are asking the tax. Okay. Cost of service, that they are telling 500, 300, 400 like that. So how to, here also inside the city. So here it is intra or inter. Intra or inter, who will tell? Agna Rose.
Intrastate transaction.
Intrastate, good, intrastate transaction. Okay, so all of you do the second example. First you write, it is an intrastate. It is an intrastate transaction because they told inside the city. But how to get the cost price? Cost price means it's not a commodity. Cost of services, don't write cost price, cost of services. Cost of services. It's not an article, cost of services. First you add up. Okay, it's not one services, many services are there. 500, 300, 400, 600. Okay, but for all same rate. So why can't we add? So we are adding 500 plus 3. I told you, no, calculations, everything easy. Just to know how to do, that's all. 400 and 600. 400 plus 600. How much? 1,800, no? This is the total cost of services. You write cost, total cost of services, you write total cost of services. Okay, total cost of service. Now you write as GST. Both we need CGST also. How much they told? 18%. No, 12%. So 6% to central, 6% to state. 6% of this 1,800 is equal to 6 by 100 into 1,800. Okay. Rupees 108. Rupees 108. Now second time no need to find again. The same you are going to find, no? 6% of 1,800 is there for central also. Central GST equal to again 6% of 1,800, that is 540. One time you, not 540, sorry, rupees 108. Therefore, total, what they are asking, sometimes it's not total, what they are asking, find the amount of GST on this service. See, they are asking only the amount of GST, only tax they need. No need to add with the cost price. Okay, read the question here, no need to add with the cost price. They are asking what amount we have to pay in terms of tax. So, tax 108, total GST equal to 108 plus 108. What is the answer? 216 rupees 216. Rupees 216. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we will move to the third example. Third example onwards, they will make a little bit not complicated. They will give some discount. So first we have to get the value after the discount, and you have to calculate the tax on this reduced rate only. Okay, that yesterday I explained you. If discount is there, first you subtract and get the sale price, and then only you have to calculate the tax. So if you are preparing a table, it will be more easy. Anyway, moving on to the third example, find the amount of bill for the following. They told intrastate transaction of goods. Okay, intrastate. The rate of GST is 12%. Maximum retail price for commodities may be goods. Discount also, so different rates of discounts. So I told you, no, now onwards we can prepare the table. That will be, if you are writing line by line, it will be very difficult to understand. Not only to you, for the examiner also. No need to tell, because in top we are writing no intrastate or intrastate. That's enough. So total GST, it is understood that it is CGST, SGST, or it is IGST, like that. Okay. That what I told, you have to write this line on top. Then you will get the mark, inter or intra. Third question. Maximum rate. Okay, so let us prepare the table. You do one thing. Vertically you prepare, that will be better. Vertically you write 250, 200, you write MRP 250, 200, 150, 300, like that. Now first you write it is in intrastate transaction. Most of the questions inside the state only, intrastate transaction. It is that you write. It is an intrastate transaction. Okay. Even if these things we are studying last time, being the first time, this is the second year that this chapter introduced. So they ask very simple question, but we will study in detail. This is the second year, so they can ask from the complicated part also. You have to know all the parts, okay. It's an intrastate, MRP column, discount column, okay. That's what they have given. What are 250, 200, 150, 200, 150, then 300. Discount percentage 30, 40, 32 and 20. So how you will get the sale price? Either it's better I think, sale price you write. In the textbook they have written the price after the discount. That means in one word, why can't we write sale price? Okay, so sale price you write, sale price. Or if you want more clarification, you can write discounted value, okay. Anyway, 250 rupees is the market price, 30% discount. So how we will get the sale price? Our traditional way means, what we will do? First we will find, you no need to do, just to see. First we will find 250, it's 30% we will find, okay. That is how much? 75. Then that 75 you will subtract from this, and that we will write here. You can do, but those things, those workings and all you do in the working law. But another way, easiest way means, see, if 30% is the discount, another way I can tell 70% of 250 is the sale price. Is it correct? Once more, 30% discount I am getting for 250 rupees means 70% of 250 rupees only I have to give to. Is it correct? So, instead of finding this 30% and instead of subtracting, straight away we can do like this. Okay? Just to save the time. So, do one thing. 30% means 30% reduction. So, 70% of the cost price we have to give as sale price. So, you find only 70. Or those who want the other way, they can do, but they may take some more time. 70% of 250. 70 by 100 into 250. $175. If you are subtracting 75 from 250, then also you will get the sale. Okay. Likewise, you find sale price for all. You find here also 40% discount. 40% discount means 60%, the remaining percentage is 60. 60% of cost price only you have to give. That's the other meaning. So you find what is 60% of 200. That you write here. Okay. All the workings in the working column. 60% of 200. 120. So you write 120. Next. 32% reduction you are getting. That means how much you have to give? 100 minus 32. 68% of the cost price you have to give. Okay. So 68% of cost price. 68% of 150 you find. 68 into, likewise you do 68% of 150. 68% of 150 will get 102. 68 by 100 into 150 you will get 102. That 102 you write here. Last one, 20% reduction means 80% of the cost price you have to give. Get 300 into 80 by 100, you will get the answer as 240. Okay. So this is the sale price. Now only you have to calculate the tax. Anyway, here tax rate is same, 12% only. So you do one thing, all these you add up and get the total amount, total sale price you find. Then we can find it's 12%, not 12, 6. All of you add up and find the total sale price. 637, rupees 637, total rupees 637. Now that is the total amount. Now see, this is Indra. So SGST 6% of 637, CGST 6% of 637. Both you, only one you have to find. The other one it will be same. Yes. Here you calculate and get. The other one simply you copy. Both will be same. You are getting a decimal. What you are getting? 32.22. 38.22. So here also 38.22. So what they ask, only tax. Find the amount of bill for the following. Amount of bill means in bill you have to add the amount plus this tax, not only tax. So amount of bill equal to 637 plus 38.22 plus 38.22. Okay. 637 plus 38.22 plus 38. What is the last answer? 4, 4, 713.44, rupees 713.44. Okay, clear? Then we will move to the next question. If you have doubt, you can ask. Okay, clear? Moving on to question number, all the questions are little bit different, that's why we are doing all the examples, and first time also, no? I am also not that much experienced, not in that which all questions will come and all, only 1 year this chapter introduced, last year only. So we don't know from which area they will ask the question. After some years only we will get the experience, okay? So we are doing all the types. Example 4. Find the amount of bill for the following interstate transaction. Interstate. Only CGST you have to calculate. Of services. It's this tax we are paying for services. Okay, they are doing some services, so we have to give the tax. Okay, provided by some consulting agency. Okay, consulting agency for their service, they are asking the tax. Okay. So that consulting agency already registered in GST, and after getting this amount, they won't take. What is your idea? Suppose that if you buy something and we have to give the tax, that tax not to that seller and not to the shopkeeper or not to this consulting agency, this tax will go to government. He stood as a mediator, that's all. Okay. Through this, we will give to the shopkeeper, shopkeeper will pay into the government. It's like that, not for the shopkeeper, not for the agency, it's like that, okay. Find the amount of bill for the following interstate transaction. Okay, I hope that. Do vertically. Wait. All of you write cost of services, not cost price. Last problem it was MRP, price it was. Here it is cost of services. So you write that heading itself. Okay. Even if you are writing cost price, no problem, but it should be a little bit meaningful also. Cost of services. Second, GST percentage. Then, here I cannot add up all the amounts. Why? First let me prepare the table, then I will tell. You no need to wait for me. I hope that by this time, this is, you prepared the table, 2 columns over, no? 2 columns. It's an interstate, interstate transaction. So, here cost of services, then GST percentage, Here they didn't tell discount. See, that's what I told. All the questions are here, no discount straight away. But here the problem, not the same GST. Okay, cost of services 2,400, 1,820, 3,900, again 3,900. GST percentage 12, 12, 18, 18. Okay, next column what it will be? It is an interstate. So CGST only. CGST. Somebody asks that whether we had to write CGST or SGST. That automatically we are writing. Here we are writing CGST. Other questions also, CGST didn't come till now. So we were writing SGST is equal to so and so. CGST is equal to so. We were writing automatically, okay. Otherwise, what we will write is equal to, something should be there on the left side, no? Okay, CGST. Here no discount, nothing. What I am asking that, we were adding all the cost and we were calculating GST. It was like that. No, now in this problem, why we are not doing like that? Helena Mary. Helena, can you tell the reason? Why can't we find the total amount? And why can't we apply the tax rate?
Because here that's IGST amount is
IGST?
It's not
Once more, IGST is not?
IGST given is not here correct below.
Rates are different. Okay, rates are different. If everything is 12 or everything is 18, what you told, that's okay, we can find the total amount and one stretch we can do. Here rates are different for these two. That's why we have to find for each. This is first time we are doing. Till now we were finding total and they were total only same GST for all. Here GST is different, so for each you have to find. So IGST. Not a CGST, IGST, sorry. This is IGST, not CGST, IGST, integrated GST which will go to central government for interstate. Okay, 2,400 into 12 by 100. If the column is a little bit width, you can do inside the column itself. Answer you write. Here 18 into 12 by 100, don't waste time, do. 3,900 into 18 by 100 and 3,900 into 18 by 100. Answer. Now for the time being I am copying from the textbook. I hope you may get. What is that? 24 into 12, 288. You have to work on it and get the answer. Otherwise, when you will get the experience? After doing these problems again and again, calculations only, we will be fast in this. So calculations, even if I am writing the answer, you have to find out from the working column and write. If I am making any mistakes also, you can tell. Okay. This is decimal, 218.40. This column became a little bit. 218.40, this is 702 and this is again 702. Oh, same amount. So, no need to find 702. Okay. For this type of questions, don't waste much time for the exam. Okay. Column and all and some are repeating, so we can write easily. Now, This is IGST only. So, total, no, what we have to write? Amount of service. So, or cost of service plus GST. All of you find 2400 plus 288. Here also, after getting this total, I cannot add one single GST. GSTs, different GSTs. So I have to add with each. Okay, that's why this column, this two columns introduced. Okay. I cannot make it all under one GST, different GST. So I have to add with each cost price. 1820 plus 218.4. 3900 plus 702. Here also the same. Answers you can do, you can write. And that answer you can total, that's the total amount the customer has to pay. Okay. That is the amount of bill. Okay. What you will do? What is the answer? 2688. I am giving the rupee symbol for the last one only. That we have to do, otherwise mark will go, otherwise no problem. 2038.4, 4602, and here also 4602. Now you total those things, we will get total. That means, see, this plus, this plus, this plus this total you do, you will get amount of bill. Therefore, amount of bill equal to 13,930.40. Rupees 13,930.40. Clear? If you are adding, you will get that one. Here you have to write for two places of decimal. There I wrote 0.4 and all, no problem. But for the last answer, rupee symbol should be there. It should be with two places. Okay. So can you tell that this chapter is difficult? Never. Chapter is easy. So the last two chapters what I have taken, both are very easy. Reflection also you can score the marks. GST also you can score the marks. GST you have to read the question and understand which is here inter or intra. Not only this type, another type is coming. Then also till now is it clear for you? Maria Denny is there. I didn't get the mark from Maria Denny. Only Maria Denny I think. Today morning I didn't check. Maria Denny, are you there? Can you switch on your mic? Maria Denny. Others, some of you send the message because of that problem. Okay, I can understand. Okay. But Maria Denny didn't tell anything. Elena Linju is there. Renu Sibi. Renu? Yes. This time Renu got 18 marks, no? When he got full marks, I am not remembering. Leona got full mark 20, Agna Rose 20. I am not remembering all the marks. Renu 18. One student, yesterday, that student told me 7 marks. Then I was wondering, anyway, I copied 7. Today morning, that student is telling it's 17 by mistake. Don't make such mistakes, okay? Least mark is 11, I think. If you did sincerely, this is a good performance because chapters also was a little bit difficult. If it is a sincere work. Now also I am a little bit doubtful in some cases. By seeing that the other paper, no. Now I am evaluating that terminal exam papers. Some are getting very good marks. Till now I didn't see such marks for those students. Out of 40, more than 30. Okay. Next, example 5. All of you prepare the table. Prepare the table. Here, maximum MRP, okay. Oh, here number of items. GST also different. There is no discount. All the problems we have to do. Next problem, GST is the same but discount is different. It's like that. So, all of you prepare 3 vertical columns. Then we will add some more columns if it is needed. Example 5. Example 5. What's the question? Find the amount for the following intra-state transaction. So, SGST and CGST. 2 columns we need. Here you know IGST only 1 column. Next here 2 SGST and CGST. But one thing is that once you got CGST you can copy the same to this column also. Okay. Okay. Prepare the columns 1, 2, 3. First 3 columns you write. Quick. Cost price, number of items, cost price, number of items, and GST percentage. That also different. So we have to prepare the table. Okay. Till now, last problem also. Okay. 125, 200, 160, 125, 200, 160, 150, 180, 150, 180. And number of items 20, 27, 35, 32, 25, 35, 32, 25. Okay. Now GST percentage 12, 12, 18, 28, 18, 18, 28, 18. Okay. Next column, it is a interstate, no? No, intrastate. Intrastate. Intra. So, I can prepare CGST, but before that, you see, cost price 125, such commodities, how many, such items, how many are there? 20 items are there like that. So, what is the total? 20 into 125. See, each problem became little bit complicated. We have to do some more work. So, 20 into 125 is the total CP. Here 27 items like that, 200 price, 27 items are there. So, how many? 27 into 200 is the cost price. So, that column should be there at first. Okay. Each 125, 20 125s are there, 27, 200s are there, 35 160s are there. So, that total you have to find at first. So, what heading you will write? Total cost of whole quantity. Total cost, not amount of bill, whole quantity. Total cost of whole quantity. 125 into 20, you write 2,500. 2 into 125, 250, then one more. 27 into 2, 54, so 5,400. 160 into 35, 5,600. Then 150 into 32, 4,800. Then 180 into 25, 4,500. Same happening. Okay. Is it clear? Then I am asking, can I add up this? Can I? Is there any advantage? I cannot. I can add, but the problem is that, see, rates are different. So, I cannot apply one rate to the whole. So, each item, for this 12% you calculate, for this also 12, for this you calculate 18, for this, okay. That's why we had to prepare columns. Next, SGST, CGST. Only one time that you can copy. 2500 into 12 by 100. If you have much space, it's better write that this process also there. Calculation okay, working column, but then it will be easy for studies, okay. What you are getting? Whether I made any mistake? Alisha Joshi, whether I made any mistake? I have written like this, whether I have made any mistake. Alisha? No. Abel Sebastian? Alan Kutukaran? Aline Mary? Albin Joshi? I know, even if I am calling some names, after reaching one Albin Joshi or one Jaswin or one Leona or one, some permanent students are those who can respond. Others, what happened? Alisha is not there. Alisha, Abel, how many students I call? Alan Kutukaran, nobody, Aline Mary. Anyway, most of the time after 1 month we can meet you, okay. Albin, what mistake I made?
There is 6%.
Correct. 12% is the GST, that for state government and central government we have to give half. So 6% to here, 6% to there, okay. So 6% only, okay, because both the columns we have to fill. So 6%, okay, 2000, okay, now you do, okay, good, Albin, good, 150, the same 150 you write here also, no need to find again there. Then 5400 into 12%, so 6% here. What is that? 56 into 6, 504. No, 324. So the 324 here also. Next, 5600 into 18%, so 9% to state government. Same to there also. How much? 504. So 504 here also. Next, 4800. 4800 into 28%, it's half, 14 by 100 here, so 14 there also, 672. So here also 672. Next, 4500 into 18%, so 9% to here. Answer 405. So here also 405. Clear? Okay. Now the last column, amount of bill. Amount of bill, to get amount of bill, each one amount, or you can write like this. Or to write as heading, that's the problem here. You write here cost plus CGST plus SGST. Likewise you write each one. Then if you are writing total here, you will get the amount of bill. You do. All of you do. Here 2500 plus 150 plus 150. That is 300, so 2800. 5400 plus 324 plus 324. You will get 6048. One more problem I'm trying to. One more problem we can do, so you finish off it. So one section will be over, then I can give the homeworks. Tomorrow also morning class, 8:30 max. Other one 6,608. Next one 6,144. Then 5,310. So total 26,910. Rupees 26,910. You write there, no? Not there. After that you have to write amount of bill. No one will check there and all. You have to write the last sentence. Simply don't waste the mark for not obeying the formalities. Okay, amount of bill equal to rupees 26,910. 26,910. If you have any doubt, see, so chapter is easy, but we should recognize which type of problem, which all columns we have to prepare and all. Calculation it's easy. Okay. Moving on to the last question, last example. A dealer in Delhi supplied goods to a wholesaler in Agra as per the details given below. I told you yesterday, no, sometimes they won't tell is it inter or intra. So by hearing the name of the places, we have to decide. I'm asking you, Delhi and Agra, for the trip we are going, you may think that they are nearby places, but both are different states. So it is interstate transaction. Agra is in UP, no? It is, yes. Delhi to Agra. So we should know Delhi to Agra means state changed. Okay. So till this they were giving it is intra or intra. Now onwards they won't give. We have to decide. So you have to know at least where is this Bhopal, where is Indore. Some common name they are asking. Where is Jharkhand and all. Whether inter or intra like that. So first you write here. It is an interstate transaction. Delhi to Agra means it is an interstate transaction that you write. I am talking about example 6, right? It is an interstate transaction. And prepare 3 columns downwards, vertically you prepare 3 columns. That's our question. A dealer in Delhi, okay. Find the total amount of bill. Okay. So prepare the column. If you can't finish within time, we can take it as homework. Anyway, maximum we will try. Okay. Cost in Delhi. Cost. I am writing cost only. GST. Here they have given discount. First time both the GST different, discount also different. Discount different, it was there, but in that case GST was not there. GST is there, but it was unique. Why it is different means this articles or services will be different. That's why. For 2,100, for that article 12% GST you have to give. But here GST is same. Oh, they have written 12 like that. So why can't we avoid that column? No? That I didn't see. Simply they have given, they can write in one sentence, GST is 12%. That mid column, actually we can avoid since we have already written, because it is 12 only, no? Okay, cost 2,100, 3,500 and 2,200, 2,850 and 3,450, 3,450. GST percentage, okay, 12. Everything 12. I'm writing only 112. Discount. What is net? Net means no discount. No discount. Then 25, 30, 40. 25, 30, 40. Okay. Here it is interstate. Did you write? It is an interstate transaction. It's an interstate transaction. Helena Jose. What will be the next column? Without the help of the textbook, you try to answer. Helena Jose. What will be the next column? SGST or CGST or IGST? Helena is not there. Helena Jose is not there. No? No, not Helena Mary. Helena Jose is not there. What happened today, my dear students? Today onwards you won't get the video. That for that particular situation, for that because of bad climate only, we send the video, okay? And simply for some reasons, we won't send the video, okay? Maximum you have to adjust. Then who will? Andrick James. Time is up. What will be the next column, Andrick?
Yes, miss.
What is the next column?
Selling price.
Ah.
P.
Selling price. Okay. Selling price. Then only we can. I was thinking I am ready to write IGST, but selling price we have to find. No. What you told, that's correct. I was wrong. I was trying to tell it is wrong. Yes, selling price we have to, because here discount is there. So first we have to know what is selling price, then only you can calculate the GST. Okay. So selling price, correct. You write selling price. Selling price column, all of you write SP column, you write selling price. Selling price. Selling price means if you okay. Helena Jose is present today. She was typing. Okay, good. Okay, Helena. After discount, this just to write after, SP means after discount. All of you find 2,100. See, I told 12%. 2,100 but no discount. So, same I am writing. Same. 3,500. Same. 2,200. Listen. 2,200. 25% discount means 75%. It's 75%. It's 75% will be the sale price. So all of you find 75% of 2,200. Okay? 75% of, I told no, easy method of 2,200. All of you find that will be here. That is 1,650. Next, 2,850, 30% discount. So 70% value. 2,850, 70%. So working column, okay, that you write, you will get 1995 and 40% discount means 60% value. So 2,070. Okay. Now, the other column we don't want. See, GST column we don't want. See, GST you have to find because GST I told no, this is unique 12% for all. So, we can add up. Got it now? We will add this amount since here rates are same GST. So, add up these things 5. Okay. Yes. 113. This is amount, sale price, total sale price. Now, since 12% for all, straight away 12% you can add to all. So, you find IGST equal to. So, this problem became short. IGST equal to full 12%. Nobody is there to share. 12% of 11315 equal to, you will get 1357.80. 37.80 rupees. So, what is the total amount of bill? Total amount of bill. Total amount of bill equal to this tax plus this amount 11315 plus 1357.80 equal to 12672.80. Okay. Today I am not giving the homeworks I planned because already the time is up, and first you go through these questions once again. Okay. Then be thorough, then only I can give the homeworks are ready, but I am not giving today. Okay. Thank you.